Okay, a little bit of a different video for you guys today because this is a real unique situation. I'm out hiking, undisclosed location, but it is an official trail. I don't want to sound like I'm trespassing. And I wanted to show you guys a couple different rubus that is growing literally right here. So it's a bit of a unique opportunity here. So first off, I have over here, this is salmonberry. Salmonberry is a perennial cane. It's unique salmonberry. And this guy over here, thimbleberry, looks almost like maple leaves here. They're both perennial canes. They're the only ones that I know of in the entire genus that do that. So thimbleberry has the sort of maple leaf canes, and they have no thorns whatsoever. You can see the older growth here as opposed to the newer growth. Each year it turns brown, and the bark starts kind of papering off. And these guys here, they do the same thing. Let's see if I can find the base of the plant here, where you can actually see some older canes here with thorns on them. And if I turn around here, ironically enough, I actually didn't think I would see them here. This guy here, which is the Himalayan blackberry. I know this because the leaves are palmate, 5 leaves. The thorns are a lot larger than you'd expect on some of the other native ones here. The cane itself is angular. It has ridges going down it. So it's kind of like boxy square almost, not necessarily round. Over here we have the cutleaf blackberry, also called the evergreen blackberry in some places, but the leaves are a dead giveaway. And then the flowers have a slight sort of pinkish color to the petals. And then lastly, one that I've been looking for a while, this guy over here, which is the black raspberry. Black raspberry, I've got actually some fruit growing on it right here. This guy looks like a mix between the trailing blackberry, which is actually right here, trailing blackberry, and the Himalayan blackberry, and back over here, because it shares several different features with them. First off, palmate leaves. You can see them right there, palmate leaves, which are similar to the Himalayan blackberry. The thorns are not as big as the Himalayan blackberry, but they are bigger than the trailing blackberry, that's for certain. But then the giveaway that this is black raspberry is that the skin here has a bloom on it. I'm not scratching it or anything, I'm just rubbing it very gently, and it just comes right off. And that tells me that this is black raspberry, because the only other rubus out here, at least as far as I'm aware, that has that type of bloom is the eastern black raspberry as well, because there's 2 different species. There's a east side of the country and a west side of the country. But then also the trailing blackberry, which, as you can see there, if it'll zoom it, focus for me, also does the same thing. I don't think it's gonna, there we go. Yeah. Got a little waxy coating on it that just rubs right off. So I thought I'd share that with you guys in a little bit of a different video. Hopefully it's a little more interesting than my last ones. Yeah, this phone does not focus perfectly. So there you have it. I really wish I could find some fruit on these guys. This is the only one I've found so far in this entire hike, and I actually got to get out of here. I'm lingering a little too long out here. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I guess you'll see you on the next one.